All right, kids. Everybody settle down, settle down, settle down. Um, Mrs. Regenchester will be here in probably a few minutes. I'm going to be your substitute teacher, so let's just get ourselves together. How's everyone? Good. All right. Mike, what's up? How you feeling? Good. All right. Jacqueline. All right. Y'all doing good? Everybody doing good? All right. I'm sitting here, of course, I'm just gonna fill in for a little bit. Who knows? I might be taking control of this whole class. I might not. All right. So, let's take attendance right here. All right. So, who's here? Mike, I know you. Charlotte. Giselle. Don't forget, I know half of y'all because some of y'all was in my class, so. All right. Do I have a Randy? Do I have an Okafor? Okafor. Okay. Okay, Isaac. Jessica. Okay. I have a Crispino. Okay. Margie. Jade. Do I have an Andre? Okay. What else do I have? Do I have a Jenny? What else do I got? Amira. Okay, I got a couple more. Okay, let's see. Shane. Janet. Ty. Larry. And Renee. Okay, now we got the attendance and everybody's here. My name is Mr. Bennett. Okay, y'all know me. Y'all know me, okay? Now this is what, science class, right? Yeah. Yikes. Science class. Alright, so I see some of your materials here. What have y'all been working on? Okay. Just what, the introduction of science, right? Okay. Okay, let's see. I could go through some of these products. Right. So what have y'all learned? Right here is supposed to be somewhat of a graduated cylinder, okay? A graduated cylinder. And what a graduated cylinder does is it basically holds all your liquids or any type of material getting ready to test, okay? So you can experiment. Now, you can shake a graduated cylinder. You can shake it. You could burn it. You can do all sorts of things. And this actually is not a graduated cylinder. This looks more like a test tube. Okay? So, a test tube. You can do that too. Science is very fun. Now, I majored in mathematics and psychology, but I would have did science, but I was real lazy in college, so I should have did science. But we're here, okay? So, what have y'all put in here so far? Really? Okay, good. You've put in what? Baking soda. Okay. You put in fluids. What type of fluids? Okay, y'all put in dyes. Okay. Did she put any gasoline in here by any chance? Not yet? Alright. When you get 2 grades up, that's when we're going to start putting gas in here. Alright. She put oil in here, right? Yeah, alright, good. That was part of the curriculum. Okay, so when you use a test tube, you can also use a test tube to mix things and all sorts of fluids and powders to make all sorts of concoctions, right? Because that's fun, right? So what did y'all make so far? Of course, everyone makes a volcano, right? Everyone makes a volcano. Yeah, that's good. I'm happy for y'all. What else did y'all make? Y'all made a cake. Good. Cakes are fun, but you also need measuring cups, okay? Now, I didn't know. Well, she has 2. She has 2. Alright. That means twice the fun. What else have y'all learned about? Y'all learned about the periodic table. Good. Because the periodic table is fun to learn about. What the periodic table is basically all the elements in the earth. And it tells you the numbers, their place in this earth, how useful they are, and sometimes how poisonous they are. For example, mercury. Now, in some upper levels, basically when you graduate college, you'll be dealing with mercury, and you can put mercury inside here, but don't you ever touch mercury, okay? Never touch mercury. Because once it gets inside your pores, you go quick. I know. So that's good that you're learning about the periodic table. How useful chemicals can be for us. Let's see what else. Okay. So, alright. She has y'all learning what about polymers? Yep. This is a cross-linked polymer. Alright. So, basically it's a bunch of chemicals put together to make a concoction. And you basically gonna study things. Polymers are in other parts of science. Okay? I wish I knew more about polymers. Again, I should have paid attention in science class. Now, I passed science with a B- and a high C+. Basically, that's what I passed science with. So, a lot of this escapes me. This is cross-linked polyacrylic copolymer. So, it's going to mix with other things. Because guess what? That's right, we love chemistry class. Okay. Oh, you guys are going to get to play with color tablets. You know what color tablets are? Color tablets are most likely. Color tablets are sometimes sometimes the things you see in food and in all the things that you probably want to eat that has color in it. You remember that book called Green Eggs and Ham? Green Eggs and Ham, yup. Well, some people made that book a reality years ago. And they made eggs, green eggs and ham, but you want to know how they did it? Through food coloring. Yes, food coloring. That's what color tabs like this. You open them up, sometimes they're effervescent. You know what effervescent is, right? They make bubbles of oxygen and everything like that. And you basically have a good time. And you can mix it, you can shake it, it pops everywhere. You got colored tablets, these are nice. Now hold on. Alright. Miss Reechester will be here in a few minutes. I just got word of that. I know, but listen, I teach mathematics, so y'all don't need me to talk to y'all anymore about a topic that I've fallen so far from grace with, okay? Let's see what else. Okay. Oh. Guys, guess what I have in my hand? Baking soda. The essential foundation of a science project in high school or in middle school is baking soda. You can do so much with baking soda, guys. You can clean with baking soda. You can definitely cook with baking soda. You can deodorize with baking soda. You can mix with baking soda. Baking soda is one of the biggest foundations in a science project that you'll ever have. I'm sure your parents had baking soda. And they used that for a project where they had to build a volcano. Remember when you guys built your volcano? This is what was it. Okay? And your baking soda. We put baking soda inside of everything, and then once you put it in there, it creates a reaction. You remember how your volcano exploded? Yeah. Let's do the baking soda. Yep. So you guys got test tubes. You have baking soda. You have color tablets. You have polymers. You have basically a bunch of ingredients that are built for reaction. Did she tell you what you guys are making yet? No? Okay, well, I can't be with you guys for long since she didn't tell you. She's definitely not going to tell me. Does anybody want to be? What do people want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be? A math teacher. Thanks a lot, Shane. Shane want to be a math teacher. Who wants to deal with science? Who wants to teach science? Who wants to partake in science? Okay, Jade, you want to take in science? Good. Science is fun. And it can be a very illustrious career, especially if you use it right. You get enough contacts. You do enough schooling, and your science degree will pay for itself. Okay? Don't let people tell you that science isn't everywhere. It is indeed everywhere. Everywhere is in your face. Is what you do. Your body runs off of science. When you drink water, what water is made out of? Everything around you is built on science. And everything you use is math. So, That's always fun. Just remember that when things get too hard, everything is science. From when you wake up, to when you drive the car, to when you yawn. Science. It could be chemistry or biology. Physics. Physics explains the speed and the range of motion and how fast things should go. There's different types of sciences. Biology talks about the insides of things, and chemistry is more of what things are made of, chemical structures. Biology deals with what DNA. Genealogy deals with DNA. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get you guys in trouble. And then you got organic chemistry. Wait until you guys get in college for that. And let me tell you this. If you guys deal with organic chemistry, please get yourself a partner. Alright, Miss Reechester should be here in just any minute now. I'm gonna see some of y'all in second period. So, I see some of y'all in a little bit. I know. But we'll get it. We gotta do it. Tell Miss Reechester I made a boo-boo. Gotta do a little bit of cleaning up. Miss Reechester, hello? I was just stalling your children out. Yes, I'm putting back your project. Alright, kids, remember, science is fun. Listen, Miss Reechester, I'm gonna just take this with me, okay? I owe you one. Alright, kids, I'll see some of y'all at third period.